Welcome back, guys. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you guys today what I've built here. I've built basically an oven, and also you can cook on the top. But I have an area here. This is the inside. This is the inside, and this is where the heat gonna be coming up. So we can have a pot here, and if I want, I can have something down inside here baking. I just have these brick here which I'm gonna remove. So if I'm baking a bread, I can just have the bread there baking. I will have the cover as well. In this area down here, this is where you're gonna be feeding the fire. Meaning you're gonna be pushing the wood in here. So when you push the wood in here, you also could push your hand inside and clean it out. Clean out the ashes and lay drop on the ground. All right, but what I'm gonna do now, this is red clay. This is red clay and water. So I mix the red clay with water, and now I'm gonna do it like the back here. You see all here? That's what I did. I take the clay and I seal up all the holes. So come, let me show you how I'm doing this. So this is the clay, and I'm taking the clay and I'm just slapping it on. So you see all these little holes and all these space gonna get full up. So now the heat, like if you're baking, the heat gonna remain inside. This is being creative, guys. So this clay gonna hold everything together. This, we did not use any cement. We didn't use any cement at all. We just pack the bricks on each other. Then we come with the clay and we seal up the outside. Get some water. Literally come water inside and soften it up a little more.